Ma'am, did we have to write the steps?
Yes, you have to write the steps. I think you did not write. One step is there, like we do in class now. Just follow the same method. How do I do in class? Same way you have to do. You see, at a time you are adding two numbers, right? So third number you will write plus or minus 11 like that. Then in the next step you will add those two. So at a time you are doing two numbers. So two at a time you'll write in that step. Okay,
Ma'am,
Ibrahim.
I do different methods. Ma'am, I do like if there's code like you give me this term, you give long questions. So I divide them like first I do two, then I do two, and then I divide them
You are
further.
not audible, Ibrahim. It's not clear. What are you speaking? I cannot
Ma'am, I'm
understand.
saying that you give long questions, so I divide them more and then I divide them furthermore. Like first I take two and then I take two and then I do.
You have to do that way only, na?
Yeah.
Always, when the questions are long, break it into small steps. Do in small steps, then mistakes will be less. Okay? Now, switch on your camera, all of you. Rashta, Ibrahim, Amina.
1 minute, ma'am.
Where did Muhammad went? He was there, na, just now? Disconnected. Okay. So what we did in the last class, I think you wrote element, definition of element, right? What was the last thing you wrote? See, all of you?
Ma'am, you gave 20 elements.
Right, I gave you to learn all the symbols. How many of you have learned? Not 20, but 5, 10. How many of you?
Man, I'm learned full.
You have learned full. Very good.
But
Abdullah, how
only
many?
the symbols, not the numbers, ma'am.
You have to learn the numbers also, okay? Okay. How many you learned, Abdullah? One. That is hydrogen.
No, ma'am, I forgot. I didn't learn, ma'am. I know only hydrogen.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Next week, learn at least 10. Okay? I'll break it. 10 elements, top 10 elements you have to learn. Okay? Learn
From
the
the
symbol.
periodic
And,
table.
no, I have given you the chart, not from the periodic table. I have
Ma'am
given
gave the last class. She told us to take screenshot and write it at home, so we did that only. I did not take that screenshot, I think.
you have to take it. Okay, someone send it to Monique.
Okay, ma'am.
Screenshot or the atomic numbers. Still calcium you have to learn, but for the next week I'm giving you homework as first 10 elements. First 10 is till neon to 8.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
till neon you have to learn. Okay,
Ma'am,
hydrogen,
the
helium,
atomic
lithium,
ma'am, the
beryllium.
atomic numbers are from 1 to 20. Like 20 elements are there, so 20 like
Atomic number
hydrogen is
that
1,
is given,
helium
yes,
is 2.
sequence. Correct, that is given in
Ma'am,
sequence.
then in oxygen, why do we write O2? O2
That
if
also
it
I
is the
explained in last
atomic
class,
number.
because oxygen,
Because there are two
no,
molecules.
atomic number is
Two atoms
are there and makes a molecule.
There are two
correct.
atoms of an
Correct.
oxygen.
Correct,
That's why.
Mohammed.
Then two.
Because oxygen does not exist alone or as oxygen atom. Okay, it exists in a molecule form, means in a pair. So two atoms bonded together, it exists like that. Oxygen doesn't exist alone as O. It will always exist as O2 in free form. Okay, two atoms together. Oxygen exists in pair of atoms.
Carbon
Okay?
monoxide is, ma'am, carbon monoxide is not an element, no, ma'am, because it has
No, it is a
oxygen and
compound.
carbon.
Correct. It is a compound. When two or more elements are combined together chemically, then it is a compound. Okay. And it is a molecule
Ma'am,
of
you did
compound.
not give the definition of compound. You only gave
Compound
of the
I'll give you
element.
today, but I was explaining it in the last class also. I have already explained so many times what is compound, what is mixture, what is element.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, but clarify in your mind that same type of atoms, when they bond together, they form a molecule of an element. And when different types of atoms bond together, they form a molecule of a compound. Okay. So whenever two or more atoms combine, molecule बनता है. But अगर same elements का होगा, so it will be molecule of an element, and if atoms of different element combine, like carbon oxygen, carbon hydrogen oxygen, so it will be a molecule of compound. Is it clear? Molecules are actually number of atoms joined together by a bond.
Okay,
Okay,
so
where
two
you are
atoms
sure how
mix
much pressure
together
you
to
are
form
applying?
a molecule, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
And
Okay.
maybe
So till here it is clear to you all of you? It is clear.
yes,
Oxygen
ma'am.
exists as diatomic, two atoms together. So you just write the what is compound, and then I will explain you further. I think you wrote element. Write down the definition of compound. What is a compound?
Yes, ma'am. We
Example.
wrote elements, a substance made of one kind of atom,
So write down
cannot be broken
compound.
down by chemical means.
Compound is a substance made up of two or more elements bonded together in a fixed ratio. Okay? Bonded means chemical bond. Okay, bond means there is a bonding, that is a chemical bond taking place. Okay, so that is why elements you can write chemically bonded together in a fixed ratio.
Ma'am, you will give more elements to learn or only 20?
Only 20. That is important.
Like this. Ma'am, we did not give the compound, we only give element ka definition.
Now you write compound ka definition. You have already written atom ka definition, right?
Yes, and we wrote about that also. Elements. Now we are writing a compound.
Yes. So we have already read about it. Just write down the definition. If still it is not clear, you can ask. But slowly you will understand what is the difference between atoms, elements, and compounds. This compound is represented by a chemical formula that identifies the elements in the compound and their proportions. Okay, so like
Ma'am, what is
H2O,
ratio?
ratio is like in what ratio? Today I'm not. In what, like in water, you have hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of 2:1. What proportion they are present? Okay,
Okay.
I'll write and show.
Ma'am, we have to write this full, right? Full page.
Yes,
Right?
write all the 3 points. Ratio means like in water, hydrogen and oxygen are in the ratio of 2:1. This is called as ratio. Okay, 2:1 or 2:1.
Like a area or proportion of that.
Ratio is in like
Ratio, and this comes in
maths,
maths also, na ma'am. Ratio and
it is
Yes,
maths
find the
only.
ratio of
Okay,
like
next topic
pizza,
I'll
like
teach you
some.
ratio only, then you will understand this.
Ma'am, when we were starting fraction, you told about ratio. When we were starting the fraction, something like dividing. I
Yes,
did not
ratio is
understand.
also written, you can write by 2:1 also. It can be written like that also. Okay?
And in percentage.
we have to write this what you have written.
Yes, we have to write. Were you dreaming?
You can write, for example, in water. This is an example, so that you understand what is a ratio. Okay, don't write this. For example, in H2O, hydrogen and oxygen are in the ratio of 2:1. पहले hydrogen लिखा तो hydrogen 2 है, oxygen 1 है, so 2:1. Now you understand what is ratio? 2:1. So how many hydrogen? 2. For 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen will be there. So I'm writing hydrogen first and oxygen later. So 2:1. If I write oxygen and hydrogen, I'll write 1:2. Okay, so that way ratio should be written. Whatever you're writing first, that number you should write first. Okay, now second point. Second point is represented by a chemical formula that identifies this. For example, you can write, for example, here also I'm writing example. For example, sodium bicarbonate likho. Which compound example should I give? Carbon dioxide. Okay, I'm writing
Ma'am, sodium
Salt
bicarbonate
is
is
also
any salt.
Ma'am, you write sodium bicarbonate.
Okay.
It
For
will be very
example,
easy.
ammonia is represented by the formula NH3. Okay, अमोनिया का फॉर्मूला है NH3, केमिकल फॉर्मूला.
Ma'am, okay. Ma'am, this what you are making us write is the definition, right, of compounds.
These are no, definition is first line, second one and third one. These are the properties of compound. Okay, about compound. Can anyone tell me what is the ratio of nitrogen and hydrogen in ammonia?
Ma'am, 3 and 1.
Do we have to write the examples too?
Yes. Example explains a point in a clear way. Yes, Abdullah, what did you say? What is the ratio? See, listen to my question. What is the ratio of nitrogen and hydrogen in ammonia?
NH3.
Ratio I'm asking. NH3 is the formula.
means how much proportion of hydrogen
Right.
is in the.
Yes. How much nitrogen and hydrogen are there in what proportion? How will you say? 1:2. This is called as is2. This ratio is called as is2. For nitrogen is to hydrogen is 1:3. Okay. So ratio of, don't write this. This is first point ka example. Ratio of nitrogen and hydrogen in ammonia is 1:3. Now, can you find out the ratio whenever any compound, if I ask, what is the ratio of, tell me what is the ratio of carbon and oxygen in carbon monoxide?
Carbon and oxygen in carbon monoxide. Ma'am, 1:1.
1:1. And in carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen, what is the
Ma'am,
ratio?
1:2. 1:2. 1:2.
Okay. If I say, what is the ratio
Ma'am,
of
I did not understand
what is the ratio of oxygen and carbon in carbon dioxide?
Ma'am,
Oxygen,
What is ratio?
2:1. 2:1.
yeah, 2:1. Ratio means for how many oxygen carbon is there, for how many carbon oxygen is there. So just count the number of carbon. How many carbon is there? 1. How many oxygen is there? 2. So the ratio is 1:2. That means for every 1 carbon atom, there are 2 oxygen atom present in carbon dioxide. So this shows you the ratio, in what ratio they are bonded. Okay, like in ammonia,
Ma'am, how come you know the ratio of
by the
like
formula you can see, if you have a formula, NH3 is the chemical formula. Now in this you can say that 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen are bonded together. So you can see you can say that the ratio of nitrogen and hydrogen is 1:3. That means for 1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogen will be attached. Is it clear? And for all ammonia compound, for all ammonia molecule, you will have this formula only. You cannot have NH2 or NH5, anything else. Okay? So that is why this chemical formula is very important. This shows you that how many, what is the ratio of each element bonded together. Okay? And the last one, properties are different from the properties of the elements. Okay, ammonia will not have the property of only nitrogen or only hydrogen. It will be different from nitrogen and hydrogen. Okay, a new substance. This is a new substance.
Ma'am, last point, there is no example.
No example. You can write example in your own words, like ammonia will have a different property from the properties of nitrogen and hydrogen. You can write this example. For example,
Ma'am, we have to write the examples.
yes, example actually explains the points in proper way. See, अभी ना shortcut में answer नहीं चलेगा. If the answer is 3 marks, तो थोड़ा सा लंबा होगा. You have to explain it properly.
Ma'am, the paper will be of 50 marks or 100 marks.
You will get to know about it. It won't be like 100. It would be. It's not decided yet, but it would be a long paper. Minimum 50 marks to रहेगा. We don't know it yet, but prepare for a longer, because it is summative assessment, so it will be a longer paper.
Ma'am, we have to write the ratio of the NH and NH is.
Maybe this, no, don't write in this point. This we have already written in first point. This is first point ka example.
Ma'am, I didn't.
Anis, join. Why do you join the class so late that you don't understand anything? Hmm? This is the example for the last point. Why? Because water consists of hydrogen and oxygen, but it will have different property than hydrogen and oxygen.
Done, ma'am.
Done? All of you have completed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
Ma'am, done.
Rashta, did you write? You got disconnected? Okay, so I'm moving to the next slide. Now see, in the picture form, if you see, this is water, okay? Now, who will tell me red color, what is, you know, water ka formula? What is water ka formula?
H2O.
Ma'am, red is
Ma'am, red is oxygen and hydrogen is white. White is hydrogen. White.
Correct.
White is.
Because you can see that 2 hydrogen atoms are there in water, 2 hydrogen atoms. So you can say that white color is hydrogen and red color is oxygen. Okay, size wise also you can see that hydrogen, the chart which I have given you, hydrogen has atomic number 1, means small hai. On oxygen ka atomic number, just check from the chart, what is the atomic number of oxygen?
8,
Quickly.
ma'am. It's 8.
Yeah, so 8, it is bigger. So you can see this one is oxygen and these 2 are hydrogen, and this whole is 1 molecule of water. This is 2 molecules, 3, 4, 5 molecules of water.
Ma'am,
So
what is H2O, ma'am?
H2O is the chemical formula of water. Water ka chemical formula. Just now you wrote compound is represented in short in the form of chemical formula, and the ratio is given as a ratio of atoms, right? Here, now it is carbon dioxide. Now tell me, which one is carbon and which one is...
Ma'am, black color is carbon and black color is carbon and white is
red.
Okay. Because in one molecule you have 2 atoms of oxygen, so you can see 2 atoms
Ma'am,
of
red is oxygen.
Yes, and this one is carbon. Black color is carbon. Okay. Now see, this is a compound Na2SO4. This is called as Na. I have told you what is Na. Anyone remembers? What is
Sodium.
Na? Correct.
Sodium.
So this is sodium. This is sulfur. This is oxygen. So this is a compound known as
Sodium bicarbonate.
sodium.
Carbonate is not there. Carbonate, I told you. Carbonate लिखते हैं. Few things if you remember, you can name the compound. CO3 is carbonate. Okay, whenever CO3 is there, it
Ma'am,
is carbonate.
Na is sodium, ma'am. Na is sodium.
Yeah. SO4 is sulfate.
Sulfur and oxygen.
So it is called as sulfate. SO4 group is called as sulfate. CO3 group is called as carbonate. Okay. PO4 group is called as phosphate.
And then
That
sulfate
is
will have 4
phosphorus.
oxygen molecules.
Ma'am, should we write this?
No, you just remember this कि अगर कभी formula में आया तो what will you write? So SO4 mostly now क्या हो जाएगा ये sodium sulfate. Okay. So this compound is sodium sulfate. Now
And what
sodium,
about phosphate, ma'am?
Ma'am, if you ask in exam that SO4 comes and if I write sodium, so I will get marks for it, or I will get.
in exam I'll not give you writing the names of the compound, okay, because we'll not be doing it in that much detail how to form the formula. It will be asked, name the elements present in the compound sodium sulfate, and the formula will be given. Is it clear? So you can name the elements. What are the elements present in this compound? So this is, write down the formula first of all. Example, this is a chemical formula of sodium
Ma'am, you
sulfate.
have to write this chemical formula.
Yes. Write down sodium sulfate. Write down the formula Na2SO4. Okay. Now in Na2SO4 contains how many sodium atoms? 2 sodium atoms, 1 sulfur atom, and 4 oxygen atom. Okay. So question will be asked in sodium sulfate, how many sodium, sulfur, and oxygen atoms are present? You can name it from the formula. Formula will be given to you and you have to write it. Okay, so write like this: Na2SO4, 2 sodium atoms. This is sodium, 1 sulfur atom, and 4 oxygen atoms. I told you that time also, this is number of atoms, and if you write whatever number 1, 2 over here, this is number of molecules. Molecules is here.
Ma'am, ma'am, Na is sodium, right? So we have to name that also.
I have
I have written the sodium sulfate. I have written the formula. This is sodium sulfate, and symbol I have already given you. So you will remember that. Okay? Na is sodium, S is sulfur, O is oxygen.
Ma'am, should I write Na के नीचे should I write sodium?
For your
sulfate?
help, you can write this is sodium. You have to remember it. I have given you chart. Sodium. This is sulfur. I written over here, 2 sodium atoms. Written over here. 2 sodium atoms, 1 sulfur atom, and 4 oxygen atoms. Should I change the slide now?
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
we have to write this also. With 2 sodium atoms, 1 sulfur
Yes.
atom. Ma'am wrote.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, what is SO?
SO4, I told you it is together called as sulfate. So that is why sodium
It has
sulfate.
sulfur and oxygen.
Yeah, sulfate has got sulfur and oxygen. 4 oxygen and 1 sulfur. Rashda, what happened? Rashda, Anas? You got disconnected, Rashda, in between?
Yeah, ma'am.
Did you write about compound, all the points?
No, I could only write 1 point.
1 point only? Okay, just take help from someone or just go through the recording. You'll get it, okay? Okay, I'm moving to the next slide now.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, why does this one compound have so many atoms, so many other type of atoms?
Compound definition only you wrote, na? It contains more than atoms of 2 or more elements. Minimum 2 elements hote, maximum can be 3, 4, 5, anything. Okay, so that is why it is a compound. Now molecules of
Ma'am,
elements.
what is the biggest compound?
biggest compound is not known. It's not like a famous thing you should learn about it. There are so many complex compound that the names are so long. You cannot remember it. Okay. When you go to higher classes, you will be seeing that how many compounds are complex and complicated compounds. Molecules of elements now. Molecules of elements, I already told you, when same type of atoms, means elements of same atom, atoms of same element joined together, these are molecules of element. So here you can see this is oxygen, O2 oxygen molecule. This is hydrogen molecule. Okay, so picture say it is clear. Same type of atoms are bonded together. So it is a molecule of oxygen because oxygen doesn't exist as single atom.
Oxygen is red, white is hydrogen, and black is carbon dioxide.
Yeah, it is shown in the picture. It is like that. Actually, में ऐसा color नहीं होता है, ठीक है? It is to differentiate. Now, molecules of a compound also we did. Water, H2O. This is carbon dioxide. So, this is a chart you can see over here. This differentiates between element, compound, and mixture. Now, matter consists of, if it is a pure substance, it will be same type. So, pure mein we have done element, compound.
What is a subunit?
Subunit. Subunit means the smallest substance, like atom. इसमें same type of things का बना हुआ है. So it is a pure. You don't need to write. You have already written about it. Pure substance, impure में mixture आता है. These are the just I wanted to show you the diagram. You can see element में same type of atoms हैं. Compound में it is made up of same type of molecules, but molecule is made up of different atoms bonded together. Okay, and mixture can be physically it is by physical means it is mixed. You can see एक compound है और एक element है, so it is a mixture. ठीक है, and they can be separated physically. Compound can be separated chemically. Okay, so that is the difference between elements and compound. You can see the formula. See, okay, just tell me. This is a question only. This is again the diagram. We have already done the diagram. Okay, tell me, these are various shapes in all the boxes. Okay, these represents element, compound, and mixture. Okay, so you have to tell me which one is element, which one is compound, which one is mixture. For example, see first one. ये जो
Element.
This is how it is element?
With mixture.
Mixture. Two different elements are mixed physically. So it is mixture. कोई bonding नहीं है, ठीक है? So
And the
first
second one is element.
Second one is element.
correct. Second one is
Third one is
element.
compound.
When it is compound,
Compound.
third one is compound.
Wait. How many
No,
of you are
mixture,
telling
mixture. Ma'am,
It is a
third one is
mixture.
mixture.
See, एक compound है और एक element है, and they are mixed physically. They are not
How do
bonded
we know
together.
they mix chemically or physically in the pictures?
No. Chemically, they are not mixed in a. See, it is a
ma'am,
mixture of
if-
compound. It is not compound actually. ये molecule है, same atoms है, ठीक है? So it is a mixture of this molecule and this element, ठीक है? So it is a mixture. Third one is a mixture, okay?
And fourth is a compound then because it's mixed with different molecules.
No, fourth is also a mixture.
No, ma'am, it will be
Fourth is
compound because it's
also
mixed with different.
See,
How,
No,
ma'am?
it's a mixture.
this compound is different. Wait.
Red and blue are there. Some is green and
This is
blue.
one
Some is
type
red.
of compound and this is another type of compound. And ये इसका mixture है. कोई bonding नहीं है इनमें. So it is a mixture. Okay.
Ma'am,
This one
this
is
is
now tell
Ma'am,
me this.
second one is a
compound.
compound.
This one is compound. This one is compound.
Compound.
This one is compound. Fifth one is compound because all the molecules see they are
Sixth
bonded.
one is element.
Sixth one is
Okay,
element.
Yeah,
Seven.
sixth one is element.
Seventh one is
mixture.
mixture.
Eighth one is also mixture. Ninth one is
Yeah, eighth one is mixture
Seventh
and
is
ninth one
compound,
is
ma'am.
compound.
Seventh is compound. Seventh is compound.
No, seventh is a mixture.
No, it's
Ma'am,
mixture.
how do we know if it's compound or mixture? I didn't understand.
This is a compound and this is an element. So this is a mixture. कोई bonding नहीं है ना इनमें. There isn't any bonding over here. So this is a mixture.
You read the compound definition in the first point is only written. If it is bonded together, that only it is compound.
and same
Ma'am,
type.
all of the elements should be bonded together.
No,
all
the
the elements
compounds.
No, all in compound, all the elements should be bonded.
Yes.
In compound, all the elements should be bonded. But in mixture, you will have different types of element का mixture हो सकता है, different element and compound का mixture हो सकता है. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a compound. This is a mixture of compound and element. Can you see? एक
Eighth
triangle
one
is
is
a
also a
compound
mixture, ma'am.
and compound. Eighth one is a mixture of two compounds. एक तो ये compound है और एक
And
ये
egg,
compound है.
yes.
So two different.
Ma'am, ninth is
And
compound.
ninth one is compound.
It is compound because same type है. Okay. Mixture is not pure. So you can see mix है और compound same है. सारे compound है and they are bonded. So this is a compound. Ninth one is a compound. Is it clear? So I'll explain once again all the pictures. See.
Ma'am,
First one is a
time,
mixture of two elements. It is a mixture of two elements. ठीक है? Why एक element triangle है और एक ये है pentagon. Second one is element because same type of atoms are there. ठीक है?
E or
यहाँ पे
E or ME in that 1, 2, 3.
Mixture.
now
ma'am.
tell me, yeah, tell me a mixture of what? What is
Type of
it?
molecule.
Mixture of
Ma'am,
molecule
same type of
and
atoms to
element.
form a molecule.
So this is a molecule. This is a molecule and this is an element. ठीक है? So different. So again, it is a mixture because ये अलग-अलग है, different types है. Okay, so it is a mixture. This is a mixture of two different compounds. You can see mixture of two compounds. दो ही है ना? हाँ, two compounds. This is a compound. This is an element. This is a mixture of
Element and compound.
element and compound. ठीक है? This is a mixture of two compounds.
Two different compounds.
Yeah. And this
But
is
ma'am,
again.
that is mixture only, right? The
Yeah,
eighth
this
one
is
is
mixture.
mixture.
I have written in the mixture. This is only compound. Okay, now it is clear from the figure. How
Yes.
will you
Ma'am, I
differentiate?
want to ask something.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain one time the chemical formula? I did not understand.
See, chemical formula, you don't have to learn it, Ibrahim. And you don't have to understand. Chemical formula given रहेगा. You have to just say how many sodium is there, how many sulfur, how many constituent elements are there. ठीक है?
Yeah,
तो
that
नीचे
only I did not understand. How we will find that out?
You don't have to find out. Wait.
Ma'am, you mean
Why?
we have to find that numbers, no 2 and 4.
Correct. You just have to
Yeah,
find.
the
For
ratio.
example,
I'm saying that.
For example, this is NaCl. This is what? Common salt. Okay, it is called as common salt, the salt which we eat at home. This is the formula of NaCl. NaCl consists of, no number means 1 होता है. ठीक है? So if this formula is given and it is asked, find the ratio of sodium and chloride, sodium and chlorine atoms. This will be the question in NaCl. ठीक है? Or in sodium chloride.
How can
So
salt
it will be
become
1 is
akela?
to 1. Answer is 1:1. Yes, Mohammed.
Yes,
come
ma'am, I
not-
did not understand this ratio and then how we find
अरे
like
तो 1 है
1:1.
और ये 1 है तो simple 1:1.
Ma'am, you said
There's
no.
one sodium and one chlorine.
Sodium
One
and
sodium and one chlorine.
chlorine is there. One
Let me
sodium.
explain, Ibrahim, answer and then I'll come to you, Mohammed. I'm not getting you what you are asking. Understood, Ibrahim? Na is
Yes,
1 and
ma'am.
Cl is 1. So 1:1. Just you have to put
So
is
ma'am,
to
can
sign.
you give one more example?
Okay. I'll give you क्या compound ले सकते हैं? CH4. This is methane gas. ठीक है? This is methane. Methane में Mohammed, just tell me what are the constituent atoms present in it? C and H क्या होता है?
Ma'am, carbon and hydrogen.
Correct. It is carbon and hydrogen. Okay.
Hydrogen 4 atoms. 4 atoms.
Yeah. So carbon is to hydrogen is equal to 1 is
1
to
upon 4. 1
1
into.
upon 4 you can write, or 1 is to 4 you can write. Okay, ratio you can write. So carbon by hydrogen is 1 is to 4. Is it clear? 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. Okay, now, Ibrahim.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, Muhammad, what were you asking?
Ma'am, how can salt you said no element or compound can be alone. Then NH1 and Cl1.
No,
It's
no,
only
compound
one.
no, I told compound consists of more than atoms of 2 or more elements. So this is 2 elements, right? So this is a compound. It has got 1 atom of sodium and 1 atom of chlorine. So it is a compound. Okay? Pure element will have same type of atoms. Is it clear? So compound will always have more than 2 or 2 elements in it. And that too chemical bond ke saath. Is it clear now? Okay. Now this we did. Okay, there is, okay, I'll read the question. I think it won't be visible to you. A dash is the smallest particle of a substance that is made up of 2 or more atoms. Tell me. A dash today I'll give you science homework also, okay, on this, whatever we have done. And you have to learn 10 elements. Tell me, a dash is the smallest particle of a substance that is made up of 2 or more atoms. Okay, you have to
Molecule.
correct. Answer is molecule. So you
Ma'am,
will-
I cannot see your screen. It's very blurry.
it's okay. I'm saying now you have to listen to me. A dash is the smallest particle of any pure element. A dash.
Atom.
करेक्ट एलिमेंट का
Atom.
स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट है एटम एंड
Atom.
कंपाउंड का स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट है मॉलिक्यूल a dash is a substance that cannot be broken down by simple chemical and physical process
Elements.
element a dash is the particle known as the building block of matter
Atom.
Correct.
No.
Yeah, atom is called as the building block of matter because smallest particle is atom of any substance. A dash is a chemical substance that is made up of 2 or more different
Compounds.
Compound.
Compound.
Okay, so it is clear now. Now tell me, this is a picture, okay? Is it a compound or mixture or element? Tell me.
Mixture.
Ma'am, it's a mixture. Yeah, it's a mixture.
Joined together, see, it is joined together.
No, ma'am, it's compound.
Compound, na? It is a compound, okay? Now it is a
But
compound.
ma'am, two different colors are there.
Yes, so it is
Yeah.
a compound and they are joined together. So tell
Yeah.
me, how many total atoms are there? Total number of atoms.
One.
In this compound, how many total atoms are there? 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Is it clear? Now same way, tell me. It is a what is it?
This is a mixture.
This is a mixture because 2 different elements are there and each are having different atoms. Okay? Now tell me, what is this?
Compound. Compound.
Same type.
They both are same.
Yeah, so this is
Molecule, ma'am.
molecule. Okay? This is a molecule. When same atoms bond together, it is molecule. Now tell me this. What is it?
Ma'am, it is hydrogen and water.
No. It is a compound. You have to tell me compound hai, mixture hai, what is it? So it is a
Ma'am,
compound.
it's a compound.
It's a compound. What is this?
Mixture.
एक ही तो है सारे के सारे joined together है so this is a compound again
Ma'am, but they're different types of elements.
All different types. So many elements are, so many atoms are there. So it is a compound, okay? And this is a mixture. Fine.
Ma'am, they look so like awkward in these shapes, like small black dots.
This is just to represent in figure. Actually, में ऐसे नहीं होते. Okay, an element consists of, now can you see the fill in the blanks, the screen? Is it
ma'am.
No, ma'am, can you go more down? We can't see. Like I
down?
can't see.
Missing words are elements different one joined atom type 2. An element consists of dash dash of dash. Muneeb, can you answer that?
Which one, ma'am?
First one.
Element consists of dash dash. Ma'am, element consists of molecule.
No, proton, neutrons, and electrons.
No,
No, you have
atom
to
consists
select
of proton, neutron, and electrons, not element.
Oh,
It is
sorry. Yes.
C.
Element
Words you
consists
select.
atom.
Words select from here. The bold words you have to select from here.
Ma'am, two types of atom.
Element does not consist of two type of atom. Rashna,
Ma'am, can I say?
Rashna,
Ma'am,
you
can I say?
An element consists of one type of atom.
correct. One type of atom. Element consists of one type of atom, not two type of atom.
A compound consists of two types of.
Two or
Molecule.
more.
Or more types of.
Compound
Yeah.
contains dash or more dash
And
dash
two-
joined
Two
together.
or more. Two
Two
or more.
or more
More dash dash what?
elements
Two or more different
Type.
atoms.
joined
Elements,
together.
elements,
Atoms
ma'am.
joined together. Two or more different atoms
Atoms.
joined together. Okay. Last one.
Ma'am, but compound
But ma'am,
consists of
compounds are made of
molecules. You said.
elements.
No molecule. Yeah. But the smallest is molecule.
अरे
But
but
different
compound-
होते हैं ना? Two or yeah, element you can write. Sorry, two or more
Elements,
different
ma'am.
elements
Yes,
joined.
and he's saying atom, ma'am. How come
No,
atom
no,
comes
element
in
होगा.
compound?
I also didn't check. It is elements. Two or more different elements joined together. Okay.
Ma'am, the smallest part of the compound is molecule, right? Not atom.
Yes. A mixture contains two or more dash, but they are not chemically dash.
Chemically joined and two or more.
A mixture contains two or more elements, but they are not chemically joined.
Yes.
Okay,
Correct.
elements.
Contains two, or because whatever is given here, you have to select that only. So mixture
Use
contains
the word.
two or more elements. You can use it again and again, but they are not chemically joined. Okay. Now see, using the definitions, whether the following diagrams represent, Anas, you will have to answer now. It is, you have to answer whether it is a compound, element or a mixture. Okay, and why you can say that. Tell me, what is it?
Ma'am, after this, can you go a bit down?
Down में कुछ नहीं है.
No, yeah,
You'll see.
second picture is there in my.
Tell me, Anas.
And
Okay,
compound.
those who know, just raise your hand. Yeah, it is a compound. What is the formula of the compound? Muneeb, can you tell me what is the formula of this compound? Because everything is mentioned over here.
Ma'am, CH, it is methane.
CH, how many H is there? You have to see that.
CH4, sir. CH4.
So it is CH4. Okay, so this is a compound. Now second diagram, Muhammad. Where is Muhammad? Not there.
Ma'am, that is methane formula, no CH4.
That is methane. Okay. Rashta, what is this? Second diagram.
It's a mixture.
It is a mixture, no bonding, and what are the two elements? Neon and krypton.
And you called me.
I was asking you question. You were not there. Okay. So now I hope that you have understood what is elements, mixture, and compound. I'll send you some questions. So, and try to answer it on your own. Okay. Whatever
The
you have
chapter is
answered.
finished already. Or just-
No, the chapter is not finished. We have not done
Ma'am, I
the.
went to get ready.
What happened?
Ma'am, we have
Mohammed?
not finished what, ma'am?
The chapter. We have not done the periodic table yet. A little bit of that is there. Okay.
Yeah,
But
ma'am,
still,
we'll complete hopefully in 2 weeks.
whatever we complete, that will be there in your syllabus. Okay.
When is the final exam?
First
It
April.
will be first week of April. Where is it?
10th April, it should be finished maybe. Because
No,
from
the chapter
14th.
3. I wanted
Our-
to do metals and non-metals. That is our next chapter, which is related to this, but we won't be doing it. I'll just do atom, elements, and compound. Okay?
So, ma'am,
That
ma'am,
only.
like the school will be over after this exam, right? This academic year will be finished, right?
Yeah.
Only for one.
And we will meet in June, sorry.
No.
Next year will be physical school.
Oh, you will get to know about it. Chalo, okay? So just
Ma'am,
revise.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
Narendra Modi, like when Ramadan comes, he only does it lockdown. I
Long
don't
term,
know why.
long exam. What he does?
He does lockdown, ma'am. When Diwali was there, he did not do anything.
No, abhi to lockdown is not there, na? Is it there?
No, but everyone is saying it will be.
It is going to be there
Because
because
we're saying that it is from January only. People are saying it will be a lockdown. Some places it is there. Some places it is not there.
In
Let us
Chembur, it is fully there.
Chembur lockdown is there.
Yeah, it was. I don't know. Last week.
Okay, okay, okay. Chalo. Hopefully it's not there. Okay. See you then in the next class. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.